Annur, where is the rattly snake? Okay, no, that's not the snake. Okay, next page. Where is the lion? No, where is the elephant? How do you make the elephant sounds? Annur, how do you make an elephant sound? Make an elephant sound. Snake. Snake. What's this? Can you make an elephant sound? That's a bear. Huh? What's this? What's this? Oh, you know it's a snake. Ah, such a clever girl. Ayan, what's that?
A book.
A book. What book is it?
Yours.
Dora's book. Can you tell me the story? What happened? What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this?
A cool.
Huh?
A cool.
A coup? No. What is this?
A square and egg. Egg.
Egg. This is an egg. What's this? What animal is this? Is this a dog?
No, it's a crocodile.
Crocodile. Is Annur a boy or a girl?
No, I'm boy.
Who is a boy?
I want to be a boy. I want to be a girl.
Yes, Annur big girl. No, Annur is a little girl. Annur.
I want to be a boy.
Yes. Abang, don't do that. What are you watching? What's that?
English.
Magic English? Do you like it? Ayan, look here. Annur, don't stand too close. No, come here. Hey, come here. Oh no. Come here.